Here we'll hopefully see a bit of energy in the shepherd's dance by the Pastorettes. These young people have most certainly been partying throughout the night. It's a tradition here that you try to party throughout the 7 hours of the night. But still they are up here dancing around you. Major, we have all of true in the West region of Catalonia 2012.